Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about evergreens and why they don't lose their leaves in the winter. Deciduous versus evergreens. As you may already know, in the winter many trees lose their leaves, but there are also trees that do not lose their leaves. These trees in general are split up into two groups: deciduous trees and evergreens. Deciduous trees include trees such as the maple or the cherry tree, and these leaves look very similar to leaves that you'll see in cartoons. They look like leaves. But evergreens have leaves that look like needles. And evergreens include pine and cedar, and almost every other conifer or very large tree. AntiFreeze Sap. All trees have sap, and it's actually one of the key reasons why evergreens do not lose their leaves. Sap is a sticky amber-colored substance that is created by all trees, but evergreens have evolved to have a sap that acts like an antifreeze, just like you put in your car. It literally stops the tree from freezing over. And this means that they can keep on doing photosynthesis and not go dormant like other deciduous trees. The sap itself is created in the trunk of the tree and is usually put off into branches. That's why if you break a tree branch from a pine tree, you will actually feel a sticky substance, and that's called the sap. Other abilities. Evergreens have lots of abilities. One of them include a special wax that around their needles, which can actually prevent water loss, pollution damage, and UV radiation. It acts as a special protective barrier for their needles. As well as this, instead of actually having to remove all their leaves in the winter, they do lose some of their leaves. But here's the thing, they will always drop after 2 to 5 years, and even then, they'll only drop in small quantities which can be replaced easily. Goodbye, and I hope you liked a lot and you learned a lot about evergreens.